Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how we can log into Nextdoor account. To log into Nextdoor account, you can open up your Nextdoor mobile app or open up a web browser. Inside the URL box on your web browser, type in nextdoor.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Nextdoor. You will then end up in the main homepage of Nextdoor. Soon after you get to the home page of Nextdoor, if you don't have an account yet, you can enter an email address and create a password and click continue and follow through the instructions. If you are trying to log into an existing account, simply scroll down and click on login. After you click the login button, it'll take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email or phone number followed by your account's password. Enter both of the credentials in the text boxes. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the password reset instruction. You can also continue logging in with Google or Facebook. After you are done entering your credential, click Login, and then you will be able to log into your Nextdoor account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, enter the sign-in code that has been sent to your email address associated with Nextdoor. Enter the sign-in code when prompted after going and visiting your email inbox, and you will receive a sign-in code from Nextdoor. After entering the code, click Login. Once you have the correct sign-in code, you will end up in the home page of Nextdoor, which means you have successfully logged in. So that's how easy it is to log into nextdoor.com. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.